In front of me is VIVO Y01 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar and tap on it. Now click on the bottom right corner twice and choose Got It. After that, you can finally click on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, create an event by tapping on the bottom right corner on this plus icon and choosing Event. After that, just customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, choose starting hour and ending one, choose location over here, tap on while using the app, type in an address and click on the correct one. Set up notifications, minutes, hours, or weeks before, and even change color. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to edit it, you can do that by tapping on it, clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner and making your changes. For example, I will go with all day and take some notes. When you're ready, save your changes by clicking on Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was edited. You can always get rid of it by tapping on it as well, but this time clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, choosing Delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!